So this would be a very special unboxing because I have 1 and 2 things to unbox. I already opened this one right here just to see what it was. I have no idea what this one was, but it's something that's worth for the fire alarm community to unbox. So let's start off with a little recap. You probably remember this, right? This is the Firelite MS-4 cabinet. So before we get into that, let's go ahead and open the small package first. So here we go. It is a pull station. I don't know what the model is, but I got to find out in a sec here. So it's another pull station. I have no idea who sent it to me. It's Kitty. I'm not gonna say who sent it because yeah. So so let's go ahead and open up the box here. Focus, yes I am. So here we go. So here we go. Let's go ahead and pull this out. First thing in here, it appears to be a pull station. That is a nice looking pull station. Check that out. So this is pull in case of fire. So there's that. That's the glass brake rod right here. Mounting screws. And instructions on how to use it. There's nothing left in the box. Let's go ahead and open up this pull station real quick. So I open it, just take your screwdriver, stick it in here. So here we are. This is the inside of the pull station right here. You may have seen it already. This is the same pull station that was in my fire alarm testing video. If you haven't seen that yet, I'm just going to put a link right up here so you can watch it. Or you can wait till the end of the video or something. Whatever. So, made by Kitty. So, I'm just going to go ahead and close this up. Snaps like that. And I'm just going to give it a pull. 3, 2, 1. Just like that. And you can't really reset it. So, see it right there, pull in case of in fire, and inside it says reset open station. Right in there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Open up this pull station. So just open it up. And you reset, flip the switch to normal. Just close it back up. So that's the first item unboxing. Which is pretty cool. I kind of wanted one of these for quite some time. So now, to remember this here, the panel, there's a bug in here. So, or a cabinet. Well, I have something to bring it to life. That's right, I have it upside down because I don't want you to know where I live. Just go ahead and just open this up. There's a lot of packing units in here. I'm going to try to open this without making too much of a mess. And here it is. Yep, it's a Firelite MS-4 circuit board right here. I don't think there's anything left in here. Yeah, these packing peanuts get all messy, so you can go and take a look at that. I'm going to go ahead and clean up these packing peanuts and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the packing peanuts cleaned up right here. Let's go ahead and pull out the circuit board. I'm stuck over all this stuff right here. Oh, good, I came with resistors. Didn't expect that. So, here's that. And here's like some other information right there. So that's the board right there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put in my panel. So one of my YouTubers, or not YouTubers, subscribers, suggested me to do more time lapses. So I'm gonna get this positioned right here. Yeah, the YouTuber, I'd like to give a shout out to Jonathan Collodi for making this request here. Because yeah, so I'm gonna make some more time lapses. And so, since you asked for it, I'm gonna make sure everything's in focus first. Be careful with that board. Just give me a sec. I have a lot of stuff. Hang on, I'll be right back. Alright, so once again, shout out goes to Jonathan Colodi for requesting more time lapses. So, here we go. Alright, so I now got the board installed. I'm going to connect up the transformer. I have to spin this around real quick because the cords are kind of getting... Alright, that seems to be in place. Now I'm going to start to wire up the AC power. Alright, and now it's time for the moment you all been waiting for. First time powering up. So I'm plugging in the power cord and I'm going to turn on the switch. Yeah, it works. So that those are battery troubles. I don't have any batteries right now. So yeah, that seems to work nicely. Let's go ahead and close the panel and see how it looks. So, there we are, the Firelite MS-4. Now I'm going to wire some things up and I'll be right back. Alright, so I now have this wired up with my new pulse station right here. I don't know the model of it, and my Spectre Alert Advance. So, let's go ahead and give it a pull. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, turn on system synthesis. Yeah, acknowledged it. Alright, I'm going to do alarm silence. Okay, so, now let's go ahead and reset the pulse station. And let's go ahead and reset the panel. Alright, so that's pretty cool. I'm going to look at some other things and I'll be right back. Alright, so I now have programmed it, so now this has audible silence as well, so it's pretty cool. I like audible silence. So, I also set this to high just to see how much, just because I want to. Let's go ahead and pull it in. 3, 2, 1. As you see here, the alarm's off, but the strobe continues to flash. That's what audible silence is. So I'm just going to go ahead and reset the pulse station. Alright, now let's go ahead and reset. Oh yeah, and one more thing, I'm going to try the walk test function. See what that is about. Alright, I'm going to walk test. So let's just go ahead and key activate this here like what we do in an actual walk test. Okay. I'm going to reset. I'm going to try silent walk test. Okay, so I got to play around with this a little bit more. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Alright, that is pretty much it for this video. So, please like, comment, and... Oh, by the way, before we end the video, if you want to see my cabinet unboxing, just click here for the description. For the link, sorry. So, that's it for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.